Bitdefender, a name that's been at the top of independent security tests for years. But does it actually hold up in 2025? Well, let's see. Starting with malware protection, meaning does it actually work? Bitdefender's malware protection is about as good as it gets. It consistently scores 100% in independent lab tests, making it one of the most reliable antiviruses for blocking threats like ransomware, spyware, and keyloggers before they can do any damage. And unlike old school antiviruses that just check for known threats, Bitdefender uses AI-powered behavioral analysis to actually predict and stop new malware before it even executes. Next is performance. Does it slow down your PC? A powerful antivirus is pointless if it drags your entire system down. Bitdefender runs surprisingly light even during full system scans, and it uses less CPU than most full security suites. No sudden slowdowns, no unnecessary background processes, and no endless pop-ups begging you to upgrade. It just works. Features. What do you actually get? Bitdefender isn't just an antivirus, it's a full security suite. It includes real-time malware blocking, a strong built-in firewall, and ransomware remediation, which can undo damage if ransomware ever gets through. Everything runs automatically, so you don't have to spend hours tweaking settings, just install it and you're protected. Now, there is one drawback. It's not perfect. The VPN is capped at 200 megabytes per day, which is barely enough to check your email. So if you need a VPN, then you'll have to look elsewhere. So the final verdict, is Bitdefender worth it? If you want top-tier malware protection, low system impact, and a reliable firewall, Bitdefender is one of the best choices in 2025. But if a VPN is a must-have, this isn't the one for you. If you want to check out a real test with Windows Defender and Bitdefender, then watch this video from our channel where we tested a few top antiviruses against real malware threats. But now it's over to you. Which antivirus do you trust for Windows 11? Drop your pick down in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. But that's all for this one. We'll see you in the next video.